I think the clear evolution of SEO and what it's becoming is SEOs aren't just now sprinkling keyword fairy dust into pages. It's now, uh, well, I mean, it's part of the tension. I'm going to bring up that word again. It's my favorite word this month. Part of the tension, and knowing this, there have been agencies who were marketing agencies, and then the client would go out and hire also an SEO firm. So you've got your marketing agency coming up with content, copy. They've got copywriters that they're very, very intimately familiar with the product and all this. And then you have SEOs coming in saying, well, we need to put keywords in. And oh my goodness, the tension, the eruption of overflow of tension from that has caused a great deal. And so now it, I see more technical writers learning SEO. I see copywriters learning SEO rather than an SEO coming in and saying, put the keyword there, put the keyword there, put the keyword there. Or the SEO has to grow and become a great writer, not just an optimizer. It's got to be one of the other because the days of just putting in those words are gone.